Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, Frax. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market, and Frax is up more than 67% in the last 1 week. It's up more than 81% in the first month of 2023. In this video, we'll take a look at the Frax US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll take a look at how high this altcoin can go as we're pumping to higher prices. Where are we going to face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices? Can we set new all-time highs in this rally we are currently having in the altcoin market? How high can Frax go before the end of 2023? We'll also be looking at Frax's performance against Bitcoin, Frax's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Frax's market cap, which is currently at a new all-time high. Frax's market cap has crossed over the $700 million region. How high can Frax's market cap continue pumping to in this relief rally? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With the altcoin market rallying up in 2023, with altcoins pumping to the moon starting 2023 on a very bright note, we have seen Frax pump on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame. We have also seen Frax pumping really well to the upside on a monthly time frame. Even though we're still deep in gobbling town, even though we have seen altcoins dump really well in 2022, they have started 2023 on a very bright note, and this rally might carry us to see new all-time highs for some altcoins. If you take a look at Fraction's US dollar price chart, this altcoin was launched at the ending phases of the previous bull run, and after it was launched, we saw it dump into gobbling town, losing 94% of its value. That's how volatile altcoins can be. That's how volatile altcoins can dump to gobbling town when they start dumping. But what we like altcoins is that when they start pumping to the upside, they can recover all those losses and even go to set new all-time highs. And we've seen Frax done that in the past. From July 2021, when it started pumping to higher prices, we saw it go to set new all-time highs by January 2021. Frax went from as low as $1.48, trading above $40, pumping more than 2,600% in just 203 days. $1,000 invested in Frax in June 2021 would have returned more than $26,000 by January 2022. Altcoins are very, very volatile, both to the downside and to the upside. And realistically, in 2023, how high do we see Frax pumping to after we saw it dumping to gobbling town in 2022? We saw Frax going from as high as $41 in 2022, ending the year in gobbling town, losing more than 90% of its value. But we started 2023 on a very bright note, and we've seen Frax dumping for more than 351 days. But right now, Frax is pumping to the upside. It has gone from as low as $4.0 to as high as over $9.6, currently up 137%. Guys, as we keep pumping to higher prices, where will Frax start facing resistance? First level you want to pay close attention to for Frax, where Frax might face some heavy resistance as we're pumping to the upside, might be around the $13 region. So as we're pumping to higher prices, you want to pay attention to what Frax will be doing when we get to that $13 region. We saw Frax get rejected at that level in March 2021, and we had some huge bounces off that level in December 2021. So I'll not be shocked to see Frax maybe, just maybe, face some resistance when we get to the $13.7 region in this rally. Guys, there's always a possibility that Frax will come back to test this support. We saw Frax blasting through it when the support was acting as resistance. So I'll not be shocked to see Frax come back to test the $7.3 region. If you take a look at what Frax has done in the past, we have seen some huge resistance at that level. We got rejected at that level in May 2021. We tried 2 different times to blast above the $7.3 level in August 2021 before we finally went through by October 2021. And if you take a look at what we have been doing in the bear market, you have been seeing that that $7.3 level has been the line in the sand for us. August 2022, we got rejected at that level. We tried again in November, we also got rejected. So right now, we're pumping to higher prices, and there's always a possibility that we might come for that back test. If not, the $13.7 region will be our next call of action. Now, as Fracture continues pumping to higher prices, we might even see it pump to as high as the $27 region in 2023. Yes, we're having a relief rally in the altcoin market and we shouldn't get carried away. But guys, we saw the market dumping for majority of 2022 and there's no reason why we shouldn't see the market pumping for majority of 2023. Even though I don't think it will be up only forever, if Fracture is going to get to that $27 region, it means from the $4 region where we bottom in this bear market, Fracture would have gone up around 550%. Setting new all-time highs is possible in 2023. From the bottom, which just means Fracture will go up around 893%. But guys, you should not be expecting all coins to set new all-time highs in the bear market. Even though we'll see them pumping the bull market, the bear market is where you get ready for the next bull run, and that's why you see a lot of altcoins dumping to gobbling town in the bear market. Smart investors are buying them right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. But guys, we shouldn't FOMO in because we're seeing some green candles on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. If you want to get these altcoins for yourself, always wait for that pullback to the downside. We had a lot of opportunities to accumulate these altcoins for more than 6 months, and on this channel we've been advocating for dollar cost averaging through the bear market. Right now we are seeing the benefits of all the hard work we have been doing in the last 6 months. There's always that possibility that the bottom is not in for Fracture in this bear market, and we might see Fracture continue dumping to gobbling town, so we should pay attention to that $4 level. If we see Fracture going below $7.3 and start dumping to gobbling town, if we don't catch a bounce off the $4 level, worst case scenario, we might see it come to set new lows in the bear market. There's always that possibility. But at the end of the next bull run, I see Fracture pumping way above the $41 region. I see this altcoin getting to as high as $150. If you use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in for Fracture in January 2022 to the bottom where we have gotten to in this bear market, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see this altcoin even pumping above $150 by the end of the next bull run. If you take a look at some details about Fracture in the last 1 year, we've seen these altcoins go from as high as $42.67 to as low as $3.92. Currently trading above $9, Fracture has a market cap of over $689 million, a fully diluted market cap of $951 million. Out of the total supply of 99 million tokens, Fracture has a circulating supply of over 72.9 million tokens. Rank 62 on CoinMarketCap with over 29,000 people having Fracture on their watch list. The Frax Protocol is the first fractional-algorithm stablecoin system. Frax is open source, permissionless, and entirely on-chain. Currently implemented on Ethereum with possible cross-chain implementation in the future, the end goal of the Frax Protocol is to provide a highly scalable, decentralized algorithm money in place of fixed supply digital assets like BTC. The protocol incorporates the following concepts: decentralization and governance, minimized fractional algorithm, and fully on-chain oracles. Where can you get some Frax tokens if you want to get some in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some on Binance, on Uniswap, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on SushiSwap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Frax's performance against Bitcoin in the bear market, we've seen Frax lose value against Bitcoin, dumping to gobbling town. But right now, Frax is currently pumping hard against Bitcoin. Guys, let's not expect Frax to continue outperforming Bitcoin through 2023. Even though we'll see Frax pumping to higher prices, even though we're seeing the altcoin market pumping to higher prices, there's always a possibility in the bear market that you see altcoins dumping to gobbling town and losing value against Bitcoin. Because in the bull market, we saw them pumping to higher prices very, very quickly against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, we saw Frax go up 1,900% in just a 200-day period. So right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, yes, we're happy Frax is outperforming Bitcoin, but at some point in time, we are going to see this rally come to an end, and we might start seeing Frax dump to gobbling town against Bitcoin. After a lot of market participants have seen their altcoins drop 70 to 80% in the last 1 year, and they're seeing the market rally up to higher prices, any small dump in the market will send them running away with fear, selling their altcoins for some Bitcoin, selling their altcoins for some Ethereum. So throughout 2023, as we're pumping to higher prices, as you're seeing Frax pump to higher prices, you want to pay close attention to how Frax will be performing against the two biggest assets in the cryptocurrency space. Because guys, If you take a look at what Fracture has done against Ethereum, we saw it pump too in the bull market, just like Fracture against Bitcoin. And right now in the bear market, we're dumping to Goblin Town, and there's always a possibility that the dump is not over and we have one final dump to the downside. If you take a look at Fracture's market cap, currently attempting to break into new all-time highs. The highest we have seen Fracture's market cap go was in January 2021 when the market cap was around $663 million. Right now, Fracture's market cap has hit $700 million. And guys, we might just continue pumping to higher prices. Before the end of this relief rally, we might see Fracture's market cap crack through that $1 billion region, possibly even getting to as high as $2.5 billion if we're lucky. But guys, we're going up in a straight line. Let's always remember there's going to be that dump to Goblin Town. We might still see Fracture come back to test all these lower ranges where it looks as if we have left. Fracture's market cap was as low as $65 million just some few weeks ago. Right now, we've seen the market cap rally up around 1,000%, going to as high as $700 million. We have not seen the price rally that high, guys. It's because we have new tokens coming into circulation. So we have 99.8 million tokens of Fracture that can be the total supply, and we are seeing new tokens come into circulation. That's why you're seeing the market cap shoot up very drastically, and you're not seeing that effect in the price chart. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Fracture going in 2023? How high do you think this altcoin can pump before the end of the year? Do you think the bottom is in? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7,